Sunday. We're back again. It is early 6:02, and price has entered my zone as I predicted. Is it a prediction as I anticipated? It's already running. We're already in the trade, and price entered the zone, hits the midpoint. This was our entry. Okay, and price is still trading around my entry. Okay, so we're back again. I promised you I'm gonna be back, and I'm back. This is 15 minutes chart. Let's check 1 minute. Okay, price is still around this level. Stop loss is right here below this candle. Let me give this. So this is the entry. Okay. We're waiting to catch all the way up here and put our stop loss below this level. It's 1 to 6. I can catch. This is what I have in my trading account from here to here. So 1 to, it was 1 to 2. So how come? Oh, okay, 1 to 2. Yeah, exactly 1 to 2. All right. Let's see how this plays out. We need to push up. We need to push up. We need to push up, 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 up. The jump is like 76. Ooh, 76 points. So with a 5, how much are we expecting? We're expecting about. So you're expecting 3,800 from this trade, and risking 1,900. So we're targeting 3,800 with a risk of 1,900. We've already made a move though from here to here, so it's getting interesting. Let's go. So that's my big move. On Friday, I made a video and I promised that I'll come back with another video to show you exactly what happens, because I already had buy limits right here, and as soon as the market opened, it was triggered because price traded through that to the midpoint of this imbalance. Right, we are in profit already. Since prices, since the whole market is bullish, I expect a nice push to the upside, at least to close in half of this before retracing to correct. Like I said, it's Sunday. What's the time now? 6:18. Right, New York time, and it's Sunday, January 25th. It's snowing outside like crazy, yet we're making money inside. Trust me if I say patience pays off, because your journey of trading, you might never want to chase price, because that's a mistake. The moment you begin to chase, the moment price begins to reverse, it goes against you. So you always need to trust your edge. You always need to trust your strategy. If it's working for you, you gotta be consistent and trade it. Because like I always say this: even when you're gambling, you can still make some profit, but then that's not sustainable. So the fact that you were able to make one profit doesn't mean whatever strategy you have is it's good. But if you believe in your strategy, if you trust in what you have, and it works for you, then you have to be consistent in implementing it. You don't have to be chasing every shiny object, every shiny strategy out there, because like I said, even the worst one can make you profit with luck. So just stick to the good ones you have, and then consistently practice, refine it, and it will make you profitable. Okay, I guess from here, I'm not gonna wait for price to can't take me down. Let me see. 15 minutes. Yeah, I wanna full view to see what's happening. Okay, so from here, retest. Okay, I'm not waiting for price to come from this level all the way down to my TP. So I'm trading up. I'm trading my TP to at least here. No, let me break even now. I'm breaking even now. I need to. Okay, so in my account, I'm doing the same in my account now. I'm breaking even. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm safe. I can let this thing runs anyhow it wants to run. Yep. That's how I protect my capital. I make sure my initial capital is always safe when I get a chance. Now this is an enough move though. From here, 6860 to let me use this to just determine. So what? See that $17.17 difference. So that's a move. It's okay for me to protect my capital. Let's go back to this point. This is just to show you, but oh, so it's actually 75. Anyways, I got 76 in my trading account. 5 minutes. Okay, the gap here. Because of the time, I don't expect too much volatility today because it's Sunday. There's not so much volatility in the market, so price wouldn't be giving us that big push. Sometimes it happens though, but you don't expect it all the time because it doesn't happen all the time. Okay. And then the stop loss was here. It was 1 to 2. Okay. Yeah, it was here. Originally the stop loss was here. Then I moved it to break even. In the account, I'm already breaking even. I've already protected my capital because I don't expect price to trade back down again. It means I got it wrong. So this is where my stop loss is now. So my entry is now my stop loss. And from here I can protect it, but I wanted to break this high, this level, and then trade a little bit up so that I can protect it and put my stop loss below this level. I'll keep protecting it before, but we'll try to hit our take profit. But along the way, along the way we'll keep protecting our profits. This time I hope I don't get overly protective. I don't want to be overprotecting my profit. It gets me stopped out. This time I want us to be able to stay in the trade so we get to take profit. It doesn't mean we're not looking at other obstacles. If we see sign of reversal, we'll step out. But where is it most likely to reverse? This level is there after filling in the gap. The midpoint of this down candle should be one. Let me see. It's a long candle though. Oh no, I mean the body. I don't need a wick. I don't mean a wick. I need a body. Okay, so the body this side is the midpoint of this candle. That's one. We're looking for all the obstacles in our way to TP. This one. And this zone here is another one. Okay. The third one is right here to this point, to this level. Okay. I'll make all of them red, and then lastly here. But once we get here, we can still be out of the trade, because from here to the side we can risk coming down, because it's just how many points? 4 points away. Okay, let's make this red. Oh man, no. Okay, danger. Oh no. So this is the first obstacle. Let me take this from here. These are the blockages in our way. Once we go through them, we'll be triumphant. We'll be victorious. We need a push to the upside. We need a push. It's 6:56. Alright, so we've been in the market for almost an hour now. Okay, my buy limit was triggered as soon as the market opened, because it was already I think I did that on Friday. Yeah, I did it on Friday, and Friday or Thursday. No, I actually did that on Thursday night before Friday. Okay, and it was triggered today, Sunday. I've covered 22 points already. Okay, out of 75. We're going. This is the line, this is the midpoint. Once price breaks through that, there's big hope. And this is 5 minutes chart. Okay, 1 minute. See this? Okay, so this is 1 minute. Okay, so we traded through the midpoints. Woo! Right after midpoint, see that big push. Okay, so at this point we can protect capital again, profits, this time profit. Okay, so I'll put my profit. I don't expect price to come here again. It's went up here, retraced down here. So why is it gonna retrace again here? If it's retracing again here, then in my head our stop loss, so we can protect our profit. So I'll move it from here. It's already here. I'll move it from here and put it below this low. Okay, so right on this line. Let's do it. So this is where our new stop loss is gonna be. Okay, we are up 1200. We're already up 1200, and we keep going. We're going. The whole this side is closed, right? This side is closed. I don't expect price to trade here again. Let me see if this is 5 minutes. Let me see 15 minutes. Okay, so the 15 minutes has a gap here. So, and this is where we put our stop loss. Oh no, this is the midpoint. This is where we put our stop loss. Okay, so wait for this side to be filled so that we don't get hit, but then we still have the opportunity to put our stop loss here. Okay, around this side. Let me see. Let me zoom in so that viewers can see very well. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, we can put our stop loss here. Okay, this is 15 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes, right? We can put our stop loss here now. Okay, because yeah, we can put our stop loss here to protect our hard earned profit. Okay, so we're going here, which is 68.73.8. Okay, so let's do that. $68. $73. See that big push? We're going. Let's go. Let's check 1 minute. Where is price most likely to visit? It's already visited here. Okay, so it keeps going up. Where's our take profit? We up 1400. Okay, so the midpoint is taken out. We'll take it from there. Price is showing a little bit of rejection at this point. What's it trying to do? Let's keep pushing. Let's push. Okay, in a 1 minute, price is very choppy here. It's very choppy around this side. It's accumulating right here, but mostly when it does that, it's accumulating to go long. So let's see how it behaves from this point. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So the 1 minute, see what's happening here. This is 1 minute. Okay, so probably gathering momentum to go upside. Whew. Of course, upside, because that's where I wanted to go. Oh my! But I'm still protected though. And one advice I'll give is when you get into a trade like this, you shouldn't be too much concerned of your P&L. What you should be paying attention to is how the candle is formed. Because if you pay too much attention to your P&L, you always fear will take you out of the market, because you see the retracement as a loss. You never want your paper profit to go down. But that's the way the market moves. The market moves in up and down trend. Like, whilst it's going up, it will still be coming down a little bit before going up. So what you should be doing is to check key levels, areas where price is most likely to retrace to, where price most likely to reverse. And those are the levels you should be paying attention to whilst you stick to your TP. You don't have to be greedy, but you don't have to also let fear take over. So in other words, you don't have to trade with your emotions. The fear, the greed, they are emotions. Okay. And then the funny thing is, we get to this zone, our P&L becomes red, and instead of us to cut it short, we refuse to. We hope that price will bounce back to be green, because you feel you know best. You feel you know more than the market. But the market always does what it wants. It moves in its own direction. The algorithms are not based on your entry, your profit, your exits. Neither of those. It's based on what it's been programmed to do. The news, the big pocket, the banks, what they do. It's what moves the price here. It's not your greed, it's not your fear, it's not your hopes. It's the algorithms. Okay, so we're already up 1700. Let's go. Let's keep pushing. We want to take 3,800 from this trade, because we bought just five contracts of S&P 500 index. This is first obstacle. Price almost hit it, but it's now trading below it. So once we go through this, the next obstacle I'm looking at is oh shit, snap, I didn't even see this. But here is also an imbalance. But the next one is this. The next major one is this levels here. This. Okay, so we are in the second one too, trading within it, and then we are up over about 1900. Yeah, 1900. That's half. Okay, we really going. Let's push, let's push, let's push, let's push. This is going to be a problem, like I said. If it trades below here, it's going to be a problem. It's been 2 hours. No, it's been past 2 hours. It's been 2 hours. It's been 2 hours 40 minutes since we got into this trade, and it's still running. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so price is really struggling around this side. It's really struggling to take this high. And like I said, that was gonna be one obstacle. First one was the midpoint of this down candle that's broken, and there's the next obstacle. So from here I expect price to trade up if we go through this danger. Strong resistance around this level. I'm still making a higher low. Price is showing weakness right now in our second obstacle. Well, it's like it wants to retrace a little bit from that point before continuing. But where is it retracing to? If it's retracing, where is it going? Where is it most likely to go? Now stop loss is here. This is our stop loss now. It's 12:20 and the trade is still running. I need to go get some rest, get up early. At this point, I can't keep waiting because it's been dragging for so long over here, and we have a long way to go. We really have a long way to go because we just have halfway through. More than a little more than half though, but we still got a long way to go. I will let it run. In my trading account I have my TP sets at this point, and then the stop loss is right here. Okay, price came to this zone, and after the retest I put a stop loss under this line. It's two things. It's either it hits the stop loss or hits the take profit. I didn't know until I wake up in the morning. Okay, we're here again. 21 minutes past 9. I think I overslept. I was damn tired. See what price did last night. I mean, this dawn price was around this side. We traded to the second danger. Came back to this, swept this level, but didn't hit the stop loss. It almost took me out whilst I was sleeping. Almost dead. And then traded off. But I've taken this high too. Now let's see. We are almost at TP. Almost at TP. So guys, this is how I wait for my big move. This is nice. I mean, it wasn't that smooth though, but when you trust in whatever you have, when you trust in whatever you have, whatever plan you have, whatever strategy you have, and then you know it's gonna work out, then you gotta trust it. Because I just knew it's gonna break this level, right? This was unable to break this high. How did I know this one, all right, this low formed is gonna take this high and then go higher? I knew that because price has already taken lows over here. All these lows have been taken, all right, and I don't expect it to come from here, come all the way down here. If price is bullish, come all the way down here to continue taking lows here, all right. Price is bullish, so we expect it to take lows here and then continue further. Okay, so that's something you train yourself to be able to see. Yeah, it's something you train yourself to be able to identify in the market. We are almost there. Almost. We need a low push. Let me see what the 9. This is what 8:45 candle. Okay, let me draw down to. Let me go to 5 minutes. Whoa, so cool. This was serious though. Honestly, it's good I went to bed. It's good I left this trade to go and catch some sleep, because I would have taken this after this. So the price had traded through this. If I was still sitting by the desk, I would have taken this trade down. I would have taken my profit. It's good I wasn't here. Price came all the way, almost hits my stop loss, and then traded off. Yeah, I wanted to see the 9 o'clock candle. This is 9 o'clock. Where is 8:30? This is 8:30. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my goodness. We made it, guys. We made it. It's a long journey. It's a long journey from here to the upside. It's really a long journey, but we made it. We did it. We need just a push, just a low push. And that's it. We out. Guys, we out. We done. That was a smooth journey. No, that was a rough one though. That was a rough one, but we made it. We made it.